You've been misled about your stomach's stubbornness. Many believe it's as simple as flipping a switch at night to halt fat burning. This switch fuels visceral fat, closing in around your organs like a cage. It affects even those who maintain a clean diet and exercise regularly. Let's expose the truth. Your body doesn't function as a constant machine. It operates differently during the day and night. During the day, your metabolism encourages actions: eating, moving, and burning. At night, it transitions to a repair phase. Deep sleep brings a surge of growth hormone, kick-starting fat burning. Unfortunately, when insulin levels rise, fat burning stops. Picture insulin as a manager that guides your body to store energy. Elevated insulin levels mean fat storage reigns. Going to bed with elevated insulin levels leads to fat storage rather than fat burning. The most rapidly accumulating fat? Visceral fat. Displays a 5-pound model of visceral fat. Here's a visual: 5 pounds of visceral fat. It wraps around your critical organs, causing inflammation and health problems. If you're waking up at 2 a.m. or craving sugar at night, it's a sign of metabolic imbalance. What aggravates visceral fat more than anything else? Late-night eating, especially carbohydrates and sweets. Consuming food within 90 minutes of bedtime elevates blood sugar and insulin levels. This insulin can linger for hours, disrupting fat burning during crucial sleep cycles. Consider this scenario. You, on 2 different nights, consume the same calories. On night A, snacking before bed causes a rise in insulin. This means fat burning ceases, and growth hormone levels drop. On night B, you avoid eating 3 hours before sleep. Insulin falls, growth hormone rises, and fat burns throughout the night. Same person, vastly different results. However, late-night eating isn't the sole culprit. There's a silent issue: magnesium deficiency. More than half of adults are deficient in this mineral, impacting sleep, insulin sensitivity, and cravings. Lower magnesium levels lead to sleepless nights and elevated stress, increasing visceral fat. Magnesium is crucial for over 300 bodily processes. It calms the nervous system while improving insulin sensitivity. Visceral fat contains more cortisol receptors, so stress combined with low magnesium is a risky combination. Our soil now has diminished magnesium levels. Spinach and pumpkin seeds can help, but many may require supplements. Follow this 4-step plan to adjust your nighttime metabolism. First, refrain from eating at least 3 hours before sleep. So, if you sleep at 11 p.m., finish your last meal by 8 p.m. Second, dim the lights 1 hour before bed. This encourages melatonin production and reduces cortisol. Third, consider taking a quality magnesium supplement before sleep. Look for glycinate or citrate forms for optimal benefits. Finally, wake up at the same time daily, including weekends. Consistent wake-up times help stabilize your circadian rhythm. You may wonder, what if I feel starving before bedtime? This suggests problems with daytime eating habits. It means your blood sugar fluctuated excessively. Enhance meals with protein and healthy fats to alleviate nighttime hunger. As for alcohol, a single drink before bed can significantly interrupt deep sleep. Losing fat involves more than just calorie counting. It's about regulating hormones. Your hormones follow daily and nightly cycles. Improve your nighttime habits to boost your metabolism. Avoid late-night eating, replenish your minerals, and prioritize quality sleep. Observe how your body aligns with its natural rhythm, burning fat as you rest. Try the 3-night test: no late snacks, magnesium before bed, dark room, consistent wake time. Track morning energy and waist size. Many notice changes by day 2. Many people overlook the vital connection between magnesium and health. Just as our bodies maintain a fascinating equilibrium during the day, this mineral plays a crucial role at night, enhancing various processes. Your body's functions rely on essential minerals, with magnesium at the forefront. A deficiency often leads to heightened cravings, disrupted sleep, and increased stress, thereby complicating fat-burning potential at night. Unbeknownst to you while lying in bed, low magnesium levels undermine growth hormone production, making you vulnerable to visceral fat. Picture waking up rejuvenated and energized, having tackled the root causes of your nighttime issues. Taking magnesium seriously helps you regain control of your metabolism. Your journey to balance starts with recognizing the importance of magnesium for health. Understanding how this mineral affects insulin sensitivity and stress responses enables informed decisions for your nightly routine. Shift your focus from merely counting calories to improving the nutritional quality of your meals, especially in protein and healthy fats. By implementing these adjustments, you're likely to observe transformative effects, physically and mentally. Better sleep, more energy, and reduced visceral fat can be achieved by prioritizing magnesium and adopting habits that align with your body's natural rhythms, allowing you to flourish even as you rest. Consider this: magnesium not only promotes sleep, it also influences your metabolism in unexpected ways. Improved insulin sensitivity is vital for reducing visceral fat. Enhanced sensitivity means your body uses glucose for energy effectively rather than storing it as fat, especially during those late-night hours. This newfound knowledge allows you to leverage magnesium as your ally in achieving a healthier lifestyle. As you embrace these lifestyle changes, you improve sleep quality and enhance metabolic function. As your body attunes itself to its natural rhythms, shedding unwanted fat becomes increasingly achievable. Embrace this transformative journey and observe as you reclaim your vitality, feeling lighter and more vibrant daily. In making these essential changes, consider your environment, particularly your sleeping area. A darkened room promotes melatonin production and signals to your body that it's time to recuperate. Envision creating the ideal space, perhaps installing blackout curtains, using an eye mask, or turning off devices that emit blue light. Each adjustment brings you closer to optimal sleep quality, positively impacting your overall health. Don't underestimate the influence of a mindful environment on your health journey. Ensuring your sleeping area fosters rest can significantly impact how your body responds to dietary changes, such as magnesium intake. Imagine settling into a dark room, enveloping your mind and body as you drift into peaceful slumber. With each passing night, this attention to your environment strengthens a sleep routine that supports your metabolic goals. When your body senses tranquility, it enhances hormonal balance, facilitating fat-burning processes during those valuable hours of sleep. Commit to these small yet significant changes, and notice the harmony you cultivate within as you nurture both body and mind. As you adjust, remember that consistency is essential. Each night, as you prioritize magnesium and foster a calm sleep environment, your body's response to these changes builds on itself, gradually shaping your body's response to these changes. With dedication, you'll soon awaken revitalized and ready to tackle the day ahead. Embrace this path with patience and determination, knowing that the small steps taken at night will yield profound health benefits. It's time to unlock magnesium's full potential, establish a balanced metabolism, and naturally reduce visceral fat. By focusing on these critical aspects of your nightly routine, including magnesium intake and creating a restful sleep environment, you cultivate an atmosphere that supports your body's healing and rejuvenation. As you harmonize with your natural rhythms, the vision of enhanced health and a balanced metabolism transforms into a powerful reality. Like and subscribe to Health 101 Hub.